What if I were to tell you that there is a way to steal deals from other wholesalers in your area today? Hey, what is going on, guys? Devin coming up here with another video, and today I'm going to be talking with you guys about how what is called actually joint venturing on wholesaling deals. And so basically what the methodology of it is you are stealing deals from other wholesalers by splitting their assignment fee. They do all the work, finding the property, finding the motivated seller and everything. And all you have to do is just make a couple of phone calls and you make half of what they make. And hey, I just wanted to give a shout out to everybody that's been following up, watching all my videos and everything. Thanks for being loyal. Thanks for watching my videos and everything. I really appreciate it. I love seeing the response and how people are interacting with my videos, and I really enjoyed kind of just starting of this YouTube venture. Now let's just jump into it. And so basically a joint venture, kind of like I just said, it's splitting the assignment fees with other wholesalers. And now the best way to do this is to network and find other wholesalers. And so what you want to do is you want to call up every sign that you see driving down the streets that says "We buy houses cash." Like there's around in our area, we have these pink ones that say "She buys houses." Yeah, that's a wholesaler. And so what you want to do is call them up, and just what I usually do is say, "Hey, I'm another wholesaler. I saw one of your signs, and I was wanting to just network, and I have a really big cash buyers list, and I would love to help you out with some of these houses that you're having trouble moving." And so what this is going to do is you want to just start building this relationship. You want to follow up with them constantly, being like asking them if they have deals, or just kind of letting them know that some of your investors are hungry for some more deals and everything. And what you're going to do is just wait till they have a deal, have them send it to you, and then from there you just send it to your cash buyers list, or you can even make like a little listing on Craigslist, and you can just share it and try to get as many people interested into this deal, and maybe get them through a walkthrough, try to send them pictures, just communicate with the deal. And if they're the ones that end up picking up the house, then you get to split the assignment fee with the wholesaler. And so this is a very easy approach into real estate wholesaling, especially if you're just getting started and you initiated starting building a cash buyers list and didn't really have a lot of funding for marketing. This is the perfect way to get into it. Especially for those of you that don't have a lot of money for marketing. It's pretty cheap. All you have to do is just talk to people, building up that cash buyers list. And cash buyers, they come a dime a dozen, really. They're really easy to come by. It's really just about marketing your business and saying that you come across deeply discounted properties all the time and asking if they would be interested personally. And so it's really interesting how so many people are overcomplicating a lot of the processes inside of here. It's all about really just taking action. Taking action, taking action, taking action. And really just putting that front foot forward, just kind of doing what the advice that's given to you, especially if you get a mentor, or you take like an online course. And I really do recommend courses, as that's how I got started personally. They may look a little pricey, but they're really worth the return on the investment, especially if you're taking massive action and doing what they're telling you to do inside of the courses. And so there's a lot of free info out there, especially on YouTube. That's how I want to I learned and got started most of it. And then you can find other videos out there, how to find cash buyers. I know I personally have one. Maybe I'll put a link down in the bio. And then maybe possibly in the future I'll go a little bit more in depth how to build this cash buyers list. And this is just something you can do on the side. Maybe let's say you do like 1 hour a day where you're just solely just trying to talk to cash buyers, trying to add them to your buyers list. Then I want to say after like 1 or 2 months, you're already going to have hundreds of cash buyers in the database. And so once you just want to continually be building that up until you have thousands of cash buyers. That's what usually a lot of the big time wholesalers have. And just really want to have it to where if you have a deal, you send it to them, you get 10 offers automatically. That's kind of the goal as a wholesaler. You have like a buyer for every single type of property that you come across, whether it be multifamily, single family residential, land, the list goes on. And so I really believe building that cash buyers list really helps you put yourself into a better position inside of this business, as there are just so many different opportunities out there, especially when you know the people with the money. It's a lot easier to make some moves, you know. And hey, I want to appreciate everybody that got to this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, like, if you're at this point, I want you to drop down in the comments below actually where you are in real estate wholesaling currently. If you're just now learning about it, if you've already got a business going and everything. I want to know. I want to know what's going on with my followers and everything, seeing where they are themselves personally, or even if you've just now heard about it just because you just started watching my YouTube videos. I want to see you say that down in the comments below. And so, like always, make sure you join the fam. Hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like the content that I provided today, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it at all, or like I did some things that you didn't like, you don't like the audio quality, whatever, make sure you hit that thumbs down button so that way I can learn which videos I need to work on and make them better, so that way I can help you guys out and maybe make you guys the next millionaire in the US. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.